Asani Gutsmore, and Renard Garrison. The Cavaliers team, we have Jamari Gordon, Niquin Patrick, Deshaun Jacks, Demarley Williams, Simon Henry, Kimani Thompson, Jordan Redison, and here we go. We have kickoff here at the Harbour Stadium. It's Cavaliers versus Harbour, and we're off. Early position for Cavaliers. Harbour stringing some passes together. Collins into midfield. And early shot there. Cross to take up this free kick. Can he deliver? They said Harbourview last time out put on a very good attacking display against Mount Pleasant. Zaire, comfortably dealt with by Cavaliers, and now Cavaliers can break. He has no pass, so he finds a bit of room to maneuver. Plays that ball up. Thompson wins that aerial battle. Zaire also gets a piece of it in midfield. Bodies his man, and now Robinson plays a delightful ball out. They have dealt with it quite well early on out. Gordon to Redison. Redison plays it into midfield, but straight to a Harbourview player. And again, here we have Tariq Robinson. Quick on the ball, taking on his man. Still Robinson. Robinson have a shot. Comfortable for keepers. Williams plays it out, but that's straight to a Harbourview player in the form of Thompson. The ball now comes out on this left hand side, and now 1-2 with Tariq Robinson. Beautiful skill there by Robinson to beat his man. Zaire back to Demarley Williams, who plays a delightful ball out. Finds a target, and Cavalier now have a attacking threat. Demarley Williams, fondly called Dum Dum, plays it in. Cavaliers now with a chance to score, and he takes it and he scores! The linesman raises his flag. His involvement early on, the goal was chalked off offside. No, Cavalier breaks forward. Zaire, that man again, cleaning up. Risky business there, and Demarley Williams shot, charged down. Still, Cavalier keeps possession. Malik White plays it out wide. Cavalier still in possession. Shot from a way out. Zaire now loses possession in a dangerous position, and now it's Demarley Williams. Still Williams. A little bit behind Patrick there, who has to come all the way to the touchline to retrieve it, but possession still with Cavaliers. Ball into the box there by Thompson. Edwards couldn't get the rebound. A snapshot there. Nicely to Kevin Deacon. A touch. No, Thompson. No, that's not a good clearance. Comes to the talisman, Demarley Williams, and now it's up in the air. Both teams battling, but Harbourview comes away with it, and he plays a beautiful ball out, but the keeper, and Cavaliers can now come forward. Poor ball into Nope. Cavalier keeps possession. Takes it away from one. Marley Williams. Still Williams. Two Harbourview players converge. Again, just tidying up defensively, but couldn't find his intended target out on this left-hand side. Gutsmore, who has switched wings with Robinson. Larmon now in possession. And Williams still. Oh! A clash of boots there. But Harbourview retains possession in the form of their captain, Zaire. Loose ball into midfield, and the Cavaliers, I think. Oh! Sturdy tackle there by Brown. Referee okay on start early on, but no. Oh! Jackson loses it. Tariq Robinson now. Still Robinson. He goes. Oh! Shot just wide via deflection, as indicated by the referee. That is Harbourview way of getting small. Drives down this left-hand side. Plays a useful ball in. And, oh, I'm not sure if that was a shot or that was a cross, but the keeper, Daquan Jemison, could come. He was playing for that foul, but the referee didn't see it as such, and it's a corner to Cavalier. They take quickly. Marley Williams with the ball. Still Williams on the edge of the box. Still Williams. Shot. Comfortably saved by the keeper. Didn't think he got hold of that very well, and the keeper can release Tariq Robinson a bit short. Useful ball now to Brown out to Gutsmore, who tries to take his defender on but loses out. Kevin Deacon out there defending, and again Zaire. Oh, a snapshot there by Peyton. This free kick. Tariq Robinson also looks interested in the free kick. Who will it be? Looks like it's going to be Zaire, and he will want to forget that as soon as possible. The Marley Ballin conceding a corner. A good ball down the line, but no, the corner comes in, and the keeper doesn't know where the ball is. But it will come to just that. Oh! Thompson loses out to Marley Williams, but no, Cherry's there to clean up, and will play the ball out to Thompson. Thompson now plays the ball into number 13, Garrison, who beat his man effortlessly. Still to win his team a throw. Ball with Harbourview. Ooh. Missed there by the Cavaliers, man, but Manchester picks it up. Oh no. He couldn't keep that ball under control for very long. Couldn't keep that ball under control for very long, and Cavaliers can break. Brilliant ball by Marley Williams. Brown in, and he shoots, and he comes out. Oh, missed it by the defender here, and it's Marley Williams still goes to the byline, drives it across. The keeper. The referee is satisfied. Now the corner can be taken. And it's into the near post. Redison back across goal. Again, out for another corner. Harbourview finding it difficult to deal with these. And Jamari Gordon will deal with that clearance. Substitute Malik Wright on the ball now. To Tariq Robinson, who shot. And that one again is high and wide. So the number 10 Malik White there, but the keeper was in prime position. Oh, Zaire loses out. And it's out. The keeper comes out, and it's a goal. The captain, Zaire Dawes, caught in possession, playing a precise pass to Tevin Savage for the opening score. 1-0 to Cavalier, and again Zaire Dawes loses position to Damarley Williams, and he was booked shredding on thin ice. Plays and number 23 there, only a free kick, says the referee. Peyton stands over the ball. Now Tariq Robinson, and oh my word, Tariq Robinson, what a strike. Robinson is there, the captain Zaire is there. Peyton is also interested in this one. Who will it be? 84 minutes gone. Surely the next goal will be a winner. Tariq Robinson hits the wall low, and he hits the wall. Possession and play out successfully from the back. Has Cavalier backpedaling there for a minute. Still Harbourview. Did he keep that in play? Yes, says the referee. Managed to square it. It comes to... Oh, he couldn't get that one. He has a shot. Oh! Brilliant reflexive save. The next goal surely will be the winner. Harbourview having the better of the latter chances here. Cavaliers having to defend yet another set piece. Robinson. Peyton. Shots! Oh! Again! The keeper called into action late. The last 5 minutes for Cavaliers, keeping this score at 1-1. Two brilliant saves. Late tipping the ball over his crossbar. Jordan Redinson keeps it. And here comes Cavalier with a shot.